Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into my video. This is going to be a series over all aspects of how Splunk works, from searching to installation, as well as configuration. Who am I? It doesn't really matter. If you recognize my voice, please don't engage me. I'm going to deny it because I don't want to get sued by Splunk. Who is this for? It's going to be for any front-end or back-end user. Specifically, I'm going to be targeting people who just absolutely don't know anything and building from the ground up. So if you don't even know what a server is or how CPUs work, that's fine. Neither did I when I started this job. So we're going to go through all of that. What makes these videos different than everybody else's? I really haven't looked at anybody else's, but from the current training level out there, I'm hoping that it'll be a little easier to understand and consume, and hopefully get you on a path where you actually have a functional, healthy environment. So what is Splunk? So Splunk is a data aggregate. And the simplest way I can explain that is you have data everywhere. It's kind of the Internet of Things, as they like to say, but it's actually kind of true. So your cell phone has data, right? When you turn it on, when you click something, every time you do anything, it creates a log. Same thing when you turn on your computer or search the internet. Man, lots of logs when you search the internet. TV, for sure, has a lot of data. And the question comes up, how do we access that data? I mean, do I go into my TV and look at the logs? I mean, I can. I'm sure I could open up with my remote and dig through and try to find the logs. But that's kind of a pain, right? So Splunk's whole job is to take all these data sources from multiple different applications, hardware, devices, the internet, and pull it all into one source and make it searchable. We're going to go over exactly how it does all that and how to best search the data once we have it. But I'm just going to give you an example of what that kind of looks like. So if we go to my desktop real quick, I've created a log file. And it's not a very pretty log file, but it's got a timestamp. See, it's a thing that happened, according to this file anyway. And then something on that timestamp, right? So log type user action message. And so this is on my desktop right now, and I've gone ahead and ingested it. There we go. If we search, we can see these same logs in my Splunk instance. And over time, even. So here's the 422, which are these two guys right here. And I can just highlight over them and they'll become those two logs. And Splunk's kind of auto-extracting some information because I've gone ahead and quoted some fields. So if I table some stuff out, status action, message, sure. Right? We get some values,